Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So today we are doing not micro braids but really small braids. My name is Yetunde for those who don't know. I've been wanting to do these braids for a while just because I got to that point with my hair where I was getting fed up with it, and if I didn't put it away it was getting the snip. So I actually started doing it last night and I've gotten more than half of my head done. So this is what the size looks like. I wanted them like really thin, so this is how big I've done it, and it's looking so good. Like the bun is this little, my hand fully wraps around it comfortably, and that's what I want. I have about this much left to do, so that's what we're about to do now. I've been running errands all morning. It's currently 3 p.m. and I braided from, I want to say 8 p.m. last night to about 1 in the morning to do one side of my head. I did a little bit of it this morning when I woke up. Then I went to run my errands and now I'm back. For the hair, this is my favorite brand to use. It's the Arua Expression braids and I'm doing it in the color 2. I just want to show you guys like literally how small I'm cutting the hair. I'm doing it like knotless braid method. So I'm feeding in the hair pieces instead of just doing like one big box braid. So I'm literally cutting it about this thin. Don't know if you guys can see it too well, but it's literally so little, like a teeny amount. And I put about exactly 3 of those in each braid so that it can be that skinny. And I'm also cutting my hair small, as you can see, so the ratio of my hair to the braiding hair is about the same. Ooh, excuse me. And I have to say, this has been going pretty fast for me. These styles used to take me so long, and I don't even have a regular mirror to like the 3-way mirror to look at the back of my head, so I've literally been eyeballing it. I'll show you guys what the parting looks like at the end, but I just wanted to show you guys a little bit of the process. And I have my rack right here that I use for it. It's a huge rack. I use these for my clients sometimes, but it works for me when I have to do my hair also. It's this spoolie thing. So I just prep all the hair there and start braiding. For this hair, you only need, honestly, I want to say like 2 packs of hair, and each pack comes with about 3 bundles because again I'm using such little like skinny pieces. You don't need that much hair for it, but it also depends how big your head is. I have a pretty big head, so this is not bad, but yeah. It's really hot today. I've been all over the place. I just spent like 2 hours at the car wash because everybody and their mother's outside for Memorial Weekend, and I didn't think I was going to be gone that long. I went to Pilates this morning and I almost canceled because I'm like, I don't want to go with half of my head done. But I just put on a cap and called it a day. So that was at 11:30. I thought I would be back like latest 1 o'clock. So I could just like finish this before 3, but it's literally 3:21 right now. That did not work out too well. But it's okay. I don't really have anything else planned for today. It's just such a beautiful day outside. I wanted to be like outside, maybe go to the park or something. But it's okay. There's always tomorrow. I still got to enjoy a little bit of the sun, which is why I'm sweating right now. And I'm glad I remembered to put on sunscreen this morning. But I'm just gonna finish prepping this hair, and once I'm done I'll start with the braiding process. Alright, so hair is done. This video right now I'm recording like 2 days later, maybe more. I finished it on Saturday. I want to say I finished it on Saturday. I finished it on Saturday, and today is currently Wednesday, so it's been like 4 days. But this is the final look. It looks so good. Parting is parting. Like, the size is great. I did do a middle part. It looks a little flat over here, but it's okay. It is what it is. but this is how it's giving at the moment. I am in love with the size. It came out just how I wanted. I think next time I might try doing it just a little bit smaller so it's a little bit more full at the top, but it's still giving what I need it to give. I typically will just wear it like this, half up, half down, has been my go-to with styling this hair because it just looks so cute like that. Or I take some pieces in the top corners and just go like this. And just leave it so the hair is out of my face, but still like down. And I'm truly just in love with it, if I do say so myself. I should have left a little bit more hair here because it's making me look bald and I don't like that. So we're just going to leave that to cover. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like the hair and you are inspired to try doing this size because it's honestly just so lightweight and the length comes right under my boobage. I didn't want it too long just because I hate having to sit on my hair. There's no reason for it. So this is the perfect length for me, and I did do it in the color 2, either 2 or 1B. I put it in the beginning, but let me know what you think in the comment box below, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.